एक महत्वपूर्ण सूचना।
रवीन हालदार नाम का एक व्यक्ति है जिसकी उम्र करीब 50 वर्ष, स्वर्गीय पीएन हालदार जी के पुत्र है। उनको जो है 1 अक्टूबर 2024 से उनकी तलाश की जा रही है, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर का एक केस दर्ज हुआ है। अगर आप में से किसी को भी इनकी कोई भी जानकारी मिलती है तो कृपया करके जो नंबर शेयर कर रहे हैं, इन नंबरों पे संपर्क करके आप जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने का अपना प्रमाण भी दे सकते हैं और पुलिस विभाग की मदद कर सकते हैं।
शादी एक ऐसा पल जो हर दुल्हन का सपना होता है, अपनी खूबसूरती से सबके मन में उतर जाना। हर लड़के की ख्वाहिश होती है वो अपनी होने वाली दुल्हन के लिए खास होना। हर परिवार का सपना होता है एक दूसरे को सम्मान दिलाना। शादी से जुड़ी सभी तरह के ड्रेस, सूट्स, शेरवानी, लहंगा, बड़ों से लेकर बच्चों तक सबके लिए बस गोइंकास ट्रेंड्स, अंडमान का नंबर 1 वेडिंग शॉपिंग मॉल। वी आर नॉट जस्ट अ शॉप, वी आर इमोशन टू ईच अदर। गोइंकास ट्रेंड्स, बांबू फ्लैट, घंटा घर, अबरडीन बाजार।
We have assembled here today so that we can keep all our members, all our associated partners, at least give them a good round of applause. So request everybody to just clap for 1 minute at least कि अपना जो है ना सब लोगों को हमने जो मदद करके it was a grand success of AC Football 2024. Today to give mementos to people and to sponsors who were we were not having sufficient time to give gestures to all the sponsors. We had many sponsors like Toyota, Nerolac, Mahindra, developers, Bailey, many sponsors were there. So we were not able to, due to short of time, we were not able to give them a good gesture. So we have kept a date today. For that we have G. Bhaskar sir. I request her to, and yes, Rakesh Bhaiya is always second in protocol in terms of you and I request Bhaskar and her to speak some lines on this.
It's been a great pleasure to have been associated with this tournament. हमको मतलब एक दो टूर्नामेंट का मैच देखा है। वन इस क्वालिटी गेम, वो पहले इम्पोर्टेंट है, गेम का जो क्वालिटी था, और वो क्वालिटी गेम अचीव करने के लिए क्वालिटी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, ये तो दोनों हैंड इन हैंड जाता है। और आई अप्रिशिएट द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स फॉर हैविंग डन सच एन एक्सेलेंट अरेंजमेंट। जैसा अजीत जी ने बोला कि बहुत दिन का बाद, वो 42 इयर्स में उतना देखा नहीं होगा, हम 63 इयर्स में देख लिया। बहुत अच्छा चलता था पहले ग्राउंड। अभी हाल ही में मे बी 10 साल के अंदर में कोई अच्छा ऐसा एक एक्सपोजर नहीं मिला। वो स्कूल फेडरेशन का जो गेम्स चलता था वो भी उतना पब्लिसिटी, उतना बीड नहीं आता था। इवन फाइनल्स में हम देखा है, मतलब स्कूल फेडरेशन गेम ऑल इंडिया लेवल का एक टूर्नामेंट है फुटबॉल का, बट जो पब्लिसिटी, जो पब्लिक जो आके बैठा है, एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फाइनल गेम वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग। एंड ये समय में बहुत जरूरी है बोलना कि the organizing skills of all the youth who have taken part was outstanding. Each one took their responsibility very seriously, and the whole organizing was picture perfect. ये माध्यम से हम आपको जो भी सपोर्ट चाहिए हम करने का तैयार है। बस धन्यवाद।
You can see around of the ground. So they were really a big part of us. Then we have the picture From day one to day last, they have given us water, all 20 cans of water. It was around maybe more than 100 bottles of water. I don't know the exact count, but they have delivered and they have given us a big thanks to Kingfisher. And from JNR, because if they might have not given us the ground, the entire football might have not been happened. In the beginning stage of getting the grounds done, there were little hiccups and ups, but finally JNR principal and HOD physical education has really helped us to get that. Thank you JNR for that. Then we have Islam Bhai, who is councillor ward number 4. Yes, he has really helped us with the cleaning of the grounds, management of the ground, cutting of grasses, everything, daily cleaning, and lot many things, lot many background jobs are there. Whenever we do anything, in the backgrounds there are huge jobs which people may not be knowing whether it is happening or not happening, which you cannot see in front. So Islam Bhai was always ready to help us on that. Thank you, Islam Bhai. Then we have on the later stage, we have Little Light and Sound, which gave us free of the equipment on the last day, the screens and everything was given by him to us on a free basis. Thank you, Aslam Bhai and Nawaz Bhai for that from Little Light and Sound. And we have Sain sir, he is assistant director sports. Sain is I think officer of Netaji Stadium. So he has helped us on getting the grounds of Netaji Stadium. He has helped us with getting all the permissions of Netaji Stadium in terms of lighting, in terms of gensets, and lot many things concerning Netaji Stadium. A big thanks to Sain sir also. A special thanks to Andhra Nicobar Police. They have given us police support on all the matches and they have really helped us on that to keep the law and regulations on its aspects. Thank you, Andhra Nicobar Police. And last days, they have helped us with support of medical support. The day we had an mishap when a boy jumped in the shooting of ball, fell down and broke his arms. So with the name of basically we went to the hospital, we were given proper treatment and we were given proper care about that. And on the last day also, they helped us with ambulance and other things. Thanks to them also.
सबसे पहले तहे दिल से I would like to thank all the members sitting over here and those who are not present. I would love to say that Andaman Adventure Club is my new family. Recently, I joined this family in the month of August 2024, and I'm fortunate that Sanjay Bhai, Ajit Bhai, and all they came to my office in the month of August 2024, and they said that they want me to join this club. On that particular day, I must be very candid that I was not aware what is the club about and why they want me to join, since I am not of their age. I'm a bit elder to them. But then I find, okay, fine, like there must be someone who can just guide them. But when I entered in the club and as a member, I found that every member has got a very specific frame of mind regarding what they want to do in future with this club. Honestly speaking, August 15 we had a rally. It was a very massive and beautiful rally. First of all, the thing is that I find that each and every member is in discipline association. They know how to respect other members. They know how to treat them as a family. This is what I find that Andaman Adventure Club is one of the best one in the island right now. Secondly, after the rally, we met again. If I'm not wrong, Ajit Bhai, we all met and he said, Ajit Bhai said कि राकेश भाई कुछ बड़ा करते हैं तो फिर बात आ जाता है financial assistance and all those things. Then we thought कि we'll start with the events and let us see what to do. Then we thought of thinking about what should be the theme of the big event. And then Wasim Bhai, Sujit Bhai, Sanjay Bhai, we all sat together and we thought like we'll have some blast of themes that should give a shock to the entire society that why we are following this theme as a aim of the tournament. Then we thought of say no to drugs. Now as Bhaskaranna said कि भाई ये बहुत बड़ा अहम मुद्दा है, मैं भास्करन से एक जगह डिफर करूंगा. भास्करन ने बोला कि पंजाब, मैं बोलता हूँ आज अंडमान में 60-70% यूथ जो है वो ड्रग्स में है. We must face the fact what is going on in our islands. Especially when I say this with authority because I practice from last 25 years as an advocate. I know every up and down of this narcotics in Andaman. Now, if we say that how we get this narcotics drugs in Andaman, we have got only two sources to get things from mainland. One is from sea, another is from flights. Now, just imagine The police, they caught every culprit from the airport, from the port. But then the question comes, how then these drugs reach to these islands? If they are caught at the first threshold, then how then this is spread in our islands? Now the difficulty is you don't know. I would like to say this to the media, and Bhaskarana will say that this is right thing what I said. मैं ये नहीं बोलता हूँ कि पुलिस एक्टिव एक्टिव नहीं है, पुलिस एक्टिव है, बट देन मुझे ये लगता है कि जहां आपको जिसको मेन को पकड़ना है, आप उनको नहीं पकड़ रहे हो। आप मोहरा तो पकड़ रहे हो, मगर मेन आप ड्रग का पिन किंग को आप नहीं पकड़ रहे हो। और ये भी नहीं है कि पुलिस को नहीं पता है। अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूं कि कौन-कौन डील करता है इसमें। अगर पुलिस वाकई में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना चाहती है, आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर व्हाट दे विल डू टू मी। पुलिस आज नार्कोटिक यूनिट बना करके आई कैन से दे आर अचीविंग समहाउ आउट ऑफ 100 दे आर अचीविंग एटलीस्ट 70% of their success. I can say that, and it is a very beautiful narcotic unit in Andaman after such a long time. तो जैसे भास्करन ने बोला, मैं भी बोलता हूँ कि हमारा अंडमान एडवेंचर क्लब को कि टिल आई एम अलाइव, टिल माय लास्ट ब्रेथ, अगर आप सब फैमिली की तरह साथ हो जैसे आज हो, तो मैं हमेशा आप लोगों के साथ हूँ। भगवान जितना ताकत दिया मैं मदद करूँगा। आई वॉन्ट टू सी दैट कि हमारा क्लब सिर्फ अंडमान में नहीं, इंडिया लेवल में पहचाना जाए कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्लब इन इंडिया विच इज इन सोशल कॉज, एंड आई वुड लव टू सी दैट। और मैं आपको यकीन से बोल रहा हूँ, वो दिन ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, आज 2024 में बोल रहा हूँ आपको, अगर हम लोग 2027 तक ये तरह काम करें तो जरूर इंडिया लेवल तक हम लोग पहुंचेंगे। ये मेरा प्रॉमिस आप लोगों के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच।
With in terms of press release and facilitation. Spending across 2 lakhs, just my estimation. We have good glasses. Next is shape of gym. Next is Anna stores.
महेंद्र भाई का ना,
मैं अब्दुल रहमान अंडमान अस्तर से जो काम आपने किया है अभी ड्रग्स के ऊपर बहुत सराहनीय है। हम जानना चाहेंगे कि इसके बाद का फ्यूचर प्लान आपका क्या है?
तो फोकस इज टुवर्ड्स सोशल एक्टिविटी, सोशल इनिशिएटिव्स। हमारा अपना तरीका है टू शो कॉज आर व्हाट वी वांट टू प्रोजेक्ट टू द सोसाइटी, व्हिच यू हैव सीन इट इन द लास्ट इवेंट दैट वी हैव डन. It is a message that we give directly, indirectly to the society, to the youth, by also involving them in other activities to keep themselves busy. In the generation of so much of advancement in social media and internet, having access to internet and right now in the current islands, what it was not until 2020.
We have, from our inception, from whenever we have started, way back in 2021, we have almost all the time initiated for females to come up for these events, and we have encouraged them. So it is not that there are more number of boys compared, but when you have seen the ground, if you have witnessed the final matches, there were more number of females volunteers also, and people who have come down to see the matches. So there are people who are interested, but the only thing is फुटबॉल का जो माहौल है और सब लोग उतने ओपन अप हुए नहीं है. आप रोड पे ही देख लीजिए, देयर आर हम जैसा एक एडवेंचर क्लब है, देयर आर मोर नंबर ऑफ फीमेल ड्राइवर्स ओवर देयर. You can even see females who are riding off-road vehicles in Port Blair. So we have been always promoting females to be part of the club, and there is no restriction in any of this.
एक टाइम में अंडमान का जो रांची कम्युनिटी के बच्चे थे, उनका टीम कहीं भी अंडमान में जाता था, एक हंगामा करके आता था कि उनसे अच्छा हॉकी कोई खेल नहीं सकता. तो ये क्या है मालूम है आपको? एक तो हमारे पास प्रॉपर टर्फ नहीं है खेलने के. हॉकी जो बच्चे वहां जाके खेले वो लोग सिंथेटिक टर्फ में खेले. हमारे बच्चे सिंथेटिक टर्फ में कभी प्रैक्टिस किए ही नहीं. दूसरी बात यह है कि हम लोगों के यहाँ आप फुटबॉल ही देख लो, अभी एजुकेशन का सपोर्ट मिला हम लोगों को, तो हम लोगों ने फाइनल्स जो है फ्लड लाइट में करवाया. अब यही जगह अगर कोई सिंगल आदमी टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया होता तो कितना परेशान होता बताइए. हमारे पास इतना बड़ा यूनिट है, फैमिली है हमारा अंडमान एडवेंचर क्लब का. तो वी हैड मेनी पीपल अराउंड अस जो हम लोग बोलता भैया ये हम करेगा, ये हम करेगा, बट यही जगह में अकेला आदमी होता. तो आप स्टेडियम में आज के तारीख में आपको मैच कराने के लिए आपको वहां पे फी बांधना पड़ता है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए. यू थिंक ऑफ द स्टेटस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स.
We are very thankful to the entire team of all our members who have contributed to this grand success of AAC, especially Mr. Shahrukh. All through this while, Shahrukh इसको film करता था, and we had a YouTube channel called Andaman Adventure Club. We had in the past we had gone for island hopping. That is from we had gone to different islands. We had conducted beach volleyball. We had done a trekking activity and many more other events. Also, we had participated in a beach cleanship drive, tree plantation drive, and finally we have reached up till this football. इस हिसाब से लोगों ने हमारे पिछले प्रोग्राम से सपोर्ट किया. We got more motivation. We are very much thankful to all the sponsors who had participated and contributed to us, and especially to our associated sponsors, that is our teammates, जिन्होंने ना ही फाइनेंशियली बट ऑल्सो उनके सपोर्ट और उनकी मदद से आज हम लोग इस मुकाम तक पहुंचे कि वी वर एबल टू कंप्लीट दिस एंटायर process. First is Avan. Avan is into real estate business, and there is a new restaurant coming up in North Bay. Rosario's is a garment store at Batu Basti. UFC Gym, one of the classic gyms. Becca Vault, Seagrass, Anna Store at School Line, Lakshmi Travels, but A to Z, Dream Designers has helped us a lot in designing all our display contents, whatever print media and all the other things which we have done. Bayleaf was Sachin had helped us with giving us his spot where we could go ahead and do all the discussions for AAC. Even we are also thankful to TSG for lending us this space where we can organize this thing. Also very much thankful to Palmguru Eco Resort where we had done our initial meetings. APT Logistics, that is Amazon. Mr. Mansoor had helped us a lot, and in whichever way he could do. CS Hardwares, Batu Basti, Seabreeze, and finally Krups. A special thanks to our patron Rakesh Bhaiya, because without his guidance and support, we couldn't be able to reach this far. Because there are many points where we were very much helpful क्योंकि उनके knowledge से और उनके guidance से we were able to go on the right path. और this achievement is the entire team का जो contribution रहा है इसमें. So I am very much thankful for this entire team, and let us grow much more bigger and more stronger in the coming years and time. Thank you.
So that is the biggest part of ASC, which has led us to have a great match ahead. And I congratulate ASC for this, and for the future of 2025, we will do this again, and we make sure that every year we do this. Thank you for being with us, and we have wonderful dinners sponsored by ASC.
हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि towards the youth, up till 35 is your very tender age. This is the time when आप लोग अपने future को देख सकते हैं. You can mold your time. तो प्लीज गलत रास्तों पे मत जाइए. हम लोग रह रहे हैं अंडमान में. अंडमान इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. यहाँ पे काफी सारी चीजें हैं देखने के लिए. लोग बाहर से आते हैं यहाँ पे घूमने के लिए, और आप लोग यहाँ पे एक बंद कमरे में कुछ नशा करके अपना यूथ को खराब मत कीजिए. गो आउट, डू सम एक्टिविटीज. यू गाइज हैव इमेंस टैलेंट. हम ये नहीं कहते कि आप लोग स्पोर्ट्स में जाइए, बट वॉट एवर यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, प्लीज गो अहेड इन इट एंड डू. एवरी वन ऑफ यू यूथ कैन बिकम सुपरस्टार्स इन द फ्यूचर.
So that is the thing. We have, as a team, showcased a lot of beautiful beaches in Andaman. Most of the beaches are unaccessed. I request the entire team to clap for themselves for doing a performance in Andaman. And finally, Vidya, we would like to thank you a lot for being a part from day one till now, and making this event what it was, and making sure that everyone in the entire island could see the event happen in one or the other way. Thank you so much, everyone.